Good morning, it's Schalan with Personal Touch Salon. I washed my hair this morning with the new Clean Beauty Trio of the Repair. I love this stuff. It's super amazing. It has amaranth extract and pea peptides to help condition and repair the hair, make it nice and strong, and help repair the elasticity in hair, which I'm super blonde, so that is very needed. And as you can see in our cute little display, there is dirt in the bowl because the bottles are made out of 90% Brazilian sugarcane, so they're going to be able to break down in a year versus regular plastic takes up to 400 years. So I washed my hair, I blow dried it straight, and I'm just thinking it's a little bit blah. So I am going to use some of these cute little hair accessories that we have in stock for $3. So all you're gonna need is your hair accessories, some clean, smooth hair. I'm gonna use a little bit of Marula Rare Perfecting Hairspray. I love this stuff. It's very lightweight. Will help with a little bit of frizz control and a little bit of manageability because I do have a few baby hairs. So I'm gonna first start with giving myself a little spray and a little brush through just to start taming some of those little babies. And then I'm gonna go up at a little angle, take it, leave a few wispies, and then I'm gonna just do a simple twist. Spray it again. I like to use the can to help set some of those hydrogen bonds right around my face. I'm gonna first take my bobby pin and twist that up in here and then go in, and this one's more of a clippy, and then come back up, clip it. Make sure it feels nice and secure. And looky there. Just a cute little accessory and kind of spruces up my style today. Accentuates my little side sweep without being too crazy. And then I'll take one more spray, tame down those baby hairs, and give my hair one more brush through. And voila! So if you need any of these products or help with how to do this, come on in and see us at Personal Touch. Have a good day.